worried, anxious, feeling jittery. Everyone says, when you're feeling this way, take time out and calm your thoughts. Meditation. Meditation is a means of calming the mind and controlling the thoughts. Meditation is a way to train the mind. Most of the time, our minds are wandering. We're worrying. We're feeling anxious. We're thinking about the future or dwelling on the past. We are worrying, fretting, or daydreaming. Meditation brings us back to the present moment. It gives us the tools we need to be less stressed, to be calmer, and to be kinder to ourselves and others. Meditation is a training of our attention. It allows us to step out of distracted thought and helps us arrive in the present moment in a balanced and clear way. When we are feeling challenged by our circumstances, or we are worried, or we are frazzled by tech, the demands of our work, the demands of the day, meditation can provide a reset for our minds. Through our graduated path of learning in both awareness, being present, and being compassionate. What is meditation, you may ask? How do I meditate? Meditation is a simple practice, and it's available to anybody. And at any time, meditation can be done early in the morning to take control of your thoughts and get a grip on the day. Meditation can be done while you are running. Meditation can be done while you are cooking. Meditation can be done while you are lying down or sitting in a chair. Meditation can reduce stress. So if you're feeling anxious and worried, take time out, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Meditation will increase calmness and clarity. Meditation will improve your happiness. The benefits that come from meditation are quick if you are feeling worried and anxious. Take 5 minutes, sit in a chair or lie down in your bed. Meditation is a path toward greater acceptance and joy. Find a place of quiet where there are no distractions. If you are feeling frazzled and need to relax, if you are worried and stressed out, take time out to do some meditation. Meditation is your path toward greater equanimity, acceptance, and joy. So get ready and let's find out how to calm our minds and how to meditate. Find yourself in a peaceful place, undisturbed. It's time to take control of your thoughts. It's time to calm down. How to meditate. Take a deep breath in and get ready to relax. You might find your mind wandering, but that's okay. It's okay sometimes. You might find your mind wandering. Your mind will roam. You may find other sensations in your body. Things happening around you might distract you. That's okay. Just get lost in thought. It's like daydreaming about the past or present. You might find yourself possibly judging yourself or others. That's fine, there's nothing wrong with this. Thinking is just as natural as breathing. When your mind starts wandering, simply notice what it is you were thinking about or what was distracting you. Let that moment pass. Pause. Take another deep breath in. Exhale. Breathe in. Hold your breath. Exhale. Concentrate on your breathing. Breathe in. Exhale. Feel the sensations in your body. Perhaps you're noticing a twinge in your toe. Wiggle your toes. Now move on. Scan your body. Don't dwell too much on it. Come back to your breathing. Breathe in, deep breath. Exhale. Focus on your breath. Listen to the quiet. Breathe in. Exhale. Just be. Don't let your mind run off and think about the things that are worrying you. Reel your mind back in. Focus on your breath. Breathe in. Hold your breath. Exhale. Keep breathing in and out. Focus on your breathing. Let your mind do a body scan. Feel your feet. Feel your legs. Feel the sensations in your stomach. Feel the sensations in your chest. Feel your fingers. Scan, run up to your arms. Feel the sensation in your neck. Keep breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Scan your mind. Scan your head, your ears. Breathe in. Exhale. Scan your nose, your eyes. Feel the top of your head. Breathe in. Exhale. Be still. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe. aware of your body. Breathe in. Hold your breath. Breathe out. Just concentrate on your breath. Feel that life-giving breath coming up through your nose, down your throat, into your lungs. Feel your lungs expand. Feel the life-giving oxygen as it flows through your veins, feeding every part of your body. Beautiful life-giving oxygen. Exhale. Breathe in. Focus on your body. Feel the tingling. Breathe out. Focus on your breath. Keep breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Feel the peace. You are present in your body. You are present in your mind. There is nothing else except now. There is nothing else to concern yourself with except this moment where you are breathing, taking in life-giving oxygen, nourishing your body with oxygen, feeding your mind with calmness and peace. Keep breathing. Feel the calm, feel the peace. Slowly wiggle your toes, breathing all the time. Breathe in, feel your knees, breathe out. Wiggle your fingers, feel your arms. Turn your head from side to side as your sensations start filtering through your body. Feel your mind. Wiggle your shoulders. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feel all the sensations coming back to your body. Bring your consciousness back to the present. Feel yourself sitting in the chair, upright, or lying on the bed. Feel yourself present. Slowly open your eyes. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. You have taken time out to calm your mind. Take a deep breath in. Stretch your arms high as you breathe in. Exhale as you bring your arms down again. Shake your body. Congratulate yourself. You have just given yourself time to be calm and to be present. Meditation is your time to connect with the now. Meditation is what we do to calm ourselves down. Meditation, even just for a few minutes a day, can just bring you back to the present, calm your mind, Stop yourself from worrying. Meditation isn't just about letting your thoughts wander. Meditation is about trying to be calm. While we meditate, we are paying close attention to the present moment, while paying attention to our own thoughts, our emotions, and all the sensations in our body, and whatever is happening around us. Now that you have come back to the present moment, those few minutes of meditation has enabled you to be calm and to stop worrying. We meditate because while we are meditating, our mind is focused on the present moment, on our breathing and the calmness of our minds, and we are not focusing on the problems that are causing us to worry. Meditation is good for our health. So take 5 minutes out of your day and embrace the practice of meditation, because it will calm you and it will stop you from worrying. Meditation is a means of training our thinking, of training and reeling in the thoughts of our mind. It allows us to step out of distracted thought and helps us arrive in the present moment in a balanced and clear way. Practicing meditation regularly will improve the psychological, emotional, and physical quality of your life. We hope you've enjoyed this How to Meditate practice. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more education and information on becoming more in tune with yourself and taking control of your mind. Positive mind dynamics.